Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to change Discord background. So first, what you want to do is open up your browser, so here, and then search for betterdiscord.app. So search for that website, and of course click on download just like so. Wait for it to download, and once it's downloaded, just click on it. Wait for it to open just like so, and click on the accept license and agreement. Install Better Discord here. So click on the Discord version. So I have the original or stable version right here. Click on install. Wait for it to go through it right there. Once you're done, it will open up just like that. You can now close this one. Now go to user settings. Scroll down. As you can see, there's a Better Discord option here. So I have many plugins here in my Discord. I also have the dark matter theme here. So if you want the themes, just go back to Better Discord and click on themes right here. And as you can see, here are the themes that you can pick from. So there are thousands or hundreds of themes here. So this is the one I use. You could also use this if you want. So if, let's say you want this, just click on download. Once you've got this theme CSS here, what you want to do is go back to Discord, just like so. Click on Open Themes folder. Once you're there, go back to downloads, copy this one, paste it here. As you can see, once you're done with that, you just need to click on this button, open it, and boom, the theme will apply. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.